Hi, this is Andre from audioguestbook.co.za. Today I'm going to show you how to use our online telephone. We specially designed this online telephone for people that can't attend your function. So if you're having a wedding and you've got friends abroad that can't come out, they can log into our online telephone with the credentials that you send them and they can leave you a message. So let's start. First of all, you go to our website, right? audioguestbook.co.za. We then go to online telephone, okay? Now, online telephone is where we will find a sample where the people can actually try it out. So there's a short description here of what actually happens. So you've got to enter your password. So what we do is we send you a link and a password. We'll get to that in a minute. And you get your voice recorder over here. Okay, so that's basically how it works. Now down here, we've got try online. So you see here we have a password. So on the page that we set up for you, there will be a password so it's unique so other people and pranksters can't leave messages. So I'm going to put in the password there. As you can see, it's there. Let me try. We enter. Now it's going to load the voice recorder, and here we go. So here we can see it all nicely set up and ready for us to start using. The maximum is 5 minutes, but that is far too long. We've got to put this all into a video and keep it entertaining, so we don't want these long drawn-out messages for the bride and groom. We want some really nice, heartfelt messages, and there's a lot of examples below. So to start recording, quite simple. You press start recording. Now it'll ask you to use your microphone, and this is very important. You must look for this allowed this time. When we click on that, now you can see it's already recording my voice. At any time, I can stop, pause, and I can preview. Let's have a listen to what we've done so far. Let me just put my volume up a bit. We click on that. Now you can see it's already recording my voice. At any time, I can... All right, now we can either resume or we can stop preview and finish recording. Let's just finish recording at this stage. Now your recording comes up over here, and this is quite nice. So if you wanted to, you could actually just click on the dot and you can download it for yourself, or you can just play it back over here. Now you can see it's already recording my voice. At any time I can... And there's the download button again. Now when it comes to you being the guest at a function, we go onto the Leave a Message tab. And in the Leave a Message tab, we set up a unique link to a guestbook. So what actually happens is every guestbook has its own database where the messages are stored. So you can see, okay, this one's closed, but we'll go into that one. And it'll take us to a new website, Guestbook 1, enter the password, and this is a very, very basic website just to capture those memories. And here's a whole list of suggestions. Now, once we've got your message and we recorded it, what we actually do is we make a little video for the bride and groom, or the birthday boy, the corporate function, whatever the occasion is. Even at wakes and that, you can leave messages to the family. And we go to, let's go to our events gallery. So this is what we do at the end of the day. We create a small movie, right, and all the different events that we've done will come in here, and you can just simply play it.
Kia ora, everyone.
Hi guys, thanks for coming over to our wedding. Hope you guys have a fab time. Leave us a message after the beep, beep.
And you too. Bye. Alright, little sister, and my new little brother, just because you're married, it doesn't...
So that's quite a unique experience for the bride and groom, or whatever the occasion is. And it's a memory, and your own voice, your own sentiments, your own feelings, your own expressions that will be cherished forever. And this can be shared. We host it on YouTube, and anybody can download it. so all your guests can have access to it and listen to the messages and relive that part of the day. I hope you found it simple, straightforward, and easy. But if you have any questions, you can just come to the WhatsApp button here and technical inquiries, that's me. You can ask me any questions and I'll be happy to answer you. Thanks for watching and have a good day, and we'll see you at your next event.